The Health Sciences Authority is a statutory board under the Ministry of Health of the Singapore government. Its office is located next to Outram Park MRT station. On the 1st of April 2019, HSA's food-related duties were absorbed by its successor Singapore Food Agency. SFA is a statutory board under the Ministry of the Environment and Water Resources. HSA is a multidisciplinary agency. It applies medical, pharmaceutical and scientific expertise to protect and advance public health and safety. The organization serves three key functions. It is the national regulator for health products. It secures the national blood supply through its operation of the National Blood Bank at Shah, and it represents the national expertise in forensic medicine, forensic science and analytical chemistry testing capabilities. These support other regulatory and compliance agencies in the administration of justice and in safeguarding public health. HSA was formed on 1 April 2001 with the integration of 5 specialized agencies under the Ministry of Health: the Center for Drug Evaluation, Institute of Science and Forensic Medicine, National Pharmaceutical Administration, Product Regulation Department, and Singapore Blood Transfusion Service. Today, the agency comprises 3 professional groups: the Health Products Regulation Group, Blood Services Group, and Applied Sciences Group. Each group functions as divisions comprising branches, units and laboratories. The 3 professional groups work with the Corporate Services Group, which provides strategic direction and corporate support in advancing the organization. The Health Products Regulation Group ensures that medicines, innovative therapeutics, medical devices and health-related products are wisely regulated and meet appropriate safety, quality and efficacy standards. The agency also contributes to the development of biomedical sciences in Singapore by administering a robust, scientific and responsive regulatory framework. HSA's risk management system takes into account pre- and post-market precautionary options. On the pre-market front, HSA administers clinical trials for new drugs and grants approvals for these products before they are marketed in Singapore. Audits on good manufacturing and distribution practices are also conducted. Regulation group would evaluate the medical device to determine whether it's acceptable to enter market. The medical device is classified as 4 levels according the product risk from Class A to Class D. On the post-market front, HSA monitors health products in the market through regular surveillance activities. The agency also carries out investigations and takes enforcement action against illegal activities related to unregistered, counterfeit and adulterated health products. HSA has an established and active pharmacovigilance program that draws on its network of healthcare professionals and overseas regulators. This allows HSA to initiate targeted and prompt action in response to reported adverse drug reports, and expedite the isolation of such problems and minimize harm to public health and safety. In support of the national objective to reduce smoking, HSA enforces the laws that prohibit tobacco advertisements, smoking by youths under 21 years old, as well as the sale of tobacco products to youths in this age group, as well as banning sales of emerging tobacco products such as hookah and electronic cigarettes. The Blood Services Group is the National Blood Service of Singapore and is responsible for the adequacy and safety of the country's blood supply. It runs the blood bank at Shah in Outram, as well as 3 satellite blood banks: Blood Bank at Woodlands, Blood Bank at Dhoby Ghaut and Blood Bank at Westgate Tower, which collects, processes, tests and distributes blood and blood components to all hospitals in Singapore. The agency has established a framework to ensure that there is a steady supply of safe blood for day-to-day needs at hospitals and during emergencies. The framework covers the recruitment of voluntary non-remunerated blood donors, stringent blood donation screening criteria, a reliable battery of tests that is conducted on all collected blood, and a comprehensive quality system benchmarked against stringent internationally recognized standards. The HSA has maintained a strategic partnership with the Singapore Red Cross since 2001 in managing the National Blood Donor Recruitment and Retention Program. The agency offers immunohematology services and tissue typing services to local and regional healthcare institutions, as well as clinical consultative services in the specialty of transfusion medicine. In addition, the agency cell therapy facility enables one-stop access to cell manufacturing and clinical trial implementation, blood processing and testing services. HSA's Applied Sciences Group represents Singapore's national expertise in forensic medicine, forensic sciences, analytical scientific capabilities as well as chemical metrology.